Well, Antoinette, the defense asked the judge to dismiss the charges against Boston City Councilor Kendra Lara. And while this hearing today only lasted about 5 minutes, court documents detail the arguments the defense plans on making.
Call up for Kendra Lara.
This morning's pretrial conference for Boston City Councilor Kendra Lara focused on 2 motions. The first filed by the Commonwealth to preserve the EDR box in the vehicle police say Lara was driving on June 30th when the councilor is accused of speeding, driving without a license, and not having her son in a booster when she crashed into a Jamaica Plain home.
And it's our understanding that if airbags are deployed, the event is recorded permanently, Your Honor.
The defense agreeing with that motion, but also bringing forth a motion of their own to dismiss all charges. Arguing in filings submitted to the court, the complaint against Ms. Lara should be dismissed because the citation alleging these crimes was not given to the violator, the defendant herein, at the time and place of the alleged violations, as is required by Massachusetts general law. Going on to say, this rule, sometimes referred to as the no-fix rule, guarantees the uniform treatment of alleged violators by ensuring that traffic tickets cannot be fixed after they are issued. The Commonwealth objecting to that motion, writing because the defendant and her son had been transported to the hospital soon after the officer's arrival on scene, Officer Zayas mailed the citations to the defendant the same day, adding any delay was justified where additional time was reasonably necessary to determine the nature of the violations. Officer Zayas only learned after conducting further investigation that the defendant's license to operate a motor vehicle had been revoked and that the vehicle she was operating was unregistered and uninsured. The 2 sides will be back in court on October 20th to argue on this motion to dismiss, while Lara vows to continue serving the people of her district.
I think that this is a process that's now with the courts, and I am committed to ensuring that I'm following through with the process. We've gone now before a judge, and this is.
And it's worth noting that the next court appearance will be more than a month after Boston's preliminary municipal elections, which Councilor Lara will be up for re-election. Reporting live outside West Roxbury District Court, Matt Reed, WCVB News Center 5.